Hi everyone. Did you know your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body? They're crucial for flushing out waste, keeping your fluids balanced, and filtering out minerals and toxins from your blood. If you're aiming for top-notch health, it's vital to give some love and attention to your kidneys and urinary system. Stay tuned to learn how you can keep these amazing organs in tip-top shape. Welcome back, health enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be diving into 7 simple and effective ways to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Make sure you watch until the end, because we've got one powerful method that most people tend to overlook. Ready to boost your kidney health? Let's get started. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. Now, let's dive into the first and most crucial method to detox your kidneys: staying hydrated. Proper hydration is key because it helps your kidneys efficiently flush out toxins and waste through urine. So, if you want to check if you're hydrated enough, just take a look at your urine. It's the best indicator of your hydration status. To check your hydration, simply observe the amount and color of your urine. The average person typically expels around 6 cups of urine each day. If you notice that you're not urinating enough, it's a sign that you may not be drinking enough water. In that case, it's time to increase your intake of healthy fluids to keep your kidneys working optimally. Let's dive a bit deeper into this topic. Ideally, your urine should be clear or nearly clear in color. A slightly yellow hue is normal, but if you notice a dark yellow color, it's a strong indicator that you're dehydrated. The good news? Once you start drinking more fluids, you'll see the color gradually lighten to a healthier, clearer shade. Besides dark urine, other signs of dehydration to watch out for include headaches, dry mouth, dizziness, and fatigue. Stay hydrated to keep your kidneys and your entire body in top shape. If you notice any of these signs regularly, just drinking more water can give your kidneys a much-needed boost and help you start feeling better. But you might wonder, how much water should you actually drink each day? While the general recommendation is 8 glasses of water a day, everyone is different. Your body may need more or less depending on various factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. Listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly to keep your kidneys in top shape. Instead of counting glasses of water, pay attention to the warning signs we discussed and find the amount that works best for you. The next powerful way to detox and cleanse your kidneys is by cutting down on sodium. If you're indulging in a sodium-rich diet, you're certainly not alone. On average, Americans consume a whopping 3,400 milligrams of sodium each day. This is over 1,000 milligrams more than the recommended daily intake. Excessive sodium can strain your kidneys, leading to potential health issues over time. By reducing your sodium intake, you not only lighten the load on your kidneys but also promote better overall health. So, keep watching to learn easy ways to lower your sodium and keep your kidneys happy. Consuming too much sodium can be detrimental to your kidneys for several reasons. Firstly, a high sodium diet increases the amount of calcium in your urine, raising your risk of developing kidney stones. Additionally, excessive sodium can cause high blood pressure, which negatively impacts the kidneys by damaging the arteries that supply blood to them. Over time, this damage can lead to kidney failure. So, cutting back on sodium is crucial not just for your kidneys, but for your overall health. If you want to reduce your sodium intake, a simple and effective way is to limit the amount of processed foods in your diet. Processed foods are typically high in sodium, which we know isn't good for your kidneys. This brings us to the next method: eating foods that support kidney health. By choosing fresh, whole foods over processed ones, you not only reduce your sodium intake but also provide your kidneys with the nutrients they need to function optimally. Stick around to learn more about the best foods to nourish your kidneys and keep them healthy. Instead, opt for fresh foods packed with nutrients and antioxidants to give your kidneys a healthy boost. You've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," right? Well, this includes the kidney doctor too. Apples, along with other fruits, are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. These nutrients have anti-inflammatory properties that offer fantastic benefits for your kidneys. By incorporating more fresh fruits into your diet, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also supporting your kidney health. Other fresh vegetables to consider are kale, spinach, and sweet potatoes. These superfoods are packed with vitamins and minerals that studies have shown to be effective in giving your kidneys a detoxifying boost. Additionally, incorporating more fish into your diet is a great idea because fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients not only support overall health but also play a crucial role in maintaining kidney function. By adding these nutrient-dense foods to your meals, you're taking significant steps toward a healthier urinary system. This is crucial because studies have found that these foods can significantly reduce the risk of end-stage renal disease or delay its progression. Sure, these foods are great for your waistline, but now you know just how beneficial they are for your kidneys too. Shifting gears a bit, another excellent way to cleanse your kidneys is by incorporating herbal teas into your routine. Herbal teas have been used medicinally for thousands of years, addressing everything from weight loss to full-body detox. As you might know, they can also help detoxify the kidneys and keep them functioning optimally. Herbal teas are often rich in antioxidants, which provide anti-inflammatory effects and other cleansing benefits. Studies have even found that they can reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. Some great options to try include nettle leaf tea, turmeric tea, and dandelion tea. Incorporating these teas into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health. The next way to detox your kidneys is by taking the right vitamins and supplements. Just as the lungs need oxygen, your kidneys require proper vitamins and nutrients to function properly. One important vitamin to mention is vitamin B6. Studies have found that this vitamin reduces calcium oxalate, thereby lowering the risk of developing kidney stones. Another supplement to consider is andrographis. Preliminary research suggests that this herb contains properties beneficial in reducing the toxic effects of alcohol consumption, although more research is needed in this area. Other vitamins and supplements that offer kidney benefits include alpha-lipoic acid, morina, N-acetylcysteine, resveratrol, probiotics, and even vitamin D. To be safe, it's always best to check with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your regimen, as they can provide guidance based on your individual condition. Moving right along, another simple method to consider is avoiding artificial sweeteners. You may have already swapped out processed sugar for artificial sweeteners to be healthier and consume fewer calories. While this makes sense, consuming fewer calories should lead to weight loss. It's important to consider the impact on your kidneys. Unfortunately, studies have found that the opposite seems to be true. Artificial sweeteners can negatively affect our taste buds, stimulating an increased appetite and causing overeating. This contributes to weight gain, which raises the risk of stroke, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. Moreover, this also leads to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and kidney disease. The most common culprits are sucralose, found in Splenda, saccharin, found in sweet and low, and aspartame, found in equal. Instead, you can opt for natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar. Just be sure to use them in moderation. Arguably, one of the most effective methods for detoxing the kidneys is to try a 2-day kidney cleanse. This technique involves setting aside a 2-day period where you only consume foods and liquids that are optimal for your kidneys. This focused cleanse can give your kidneys a much-needed break and boost, helping them function more efficiently. As we mentioned earlier, your kidneys act as the body's filtration system, removing toxins and waste. By consuming only the most optimal nutrients during this short time period, your kidneys can effectively flush out excess toxins, helping to get your renal system in the best possible condition. This diet can include a combination of juices, teas, herbs, smoothies, and foods that support kidney health. Refer to some of the foods and supplements mentioned in this video, and do additional research online to find what works best for you. Keep in mind that the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, states there isn't clinical evidence to suggest that these cleansing programs are effective. However, many individuals report positive results anecdotally. To be safe, always check with your doctor first, especially if you have an underlying condition. Most of us can keep our kidneys in optimal shape by eating a healthy diet and drinking plenty of water. But now you know some alternative techniques to consider. Real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. While you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. I hope you found the information in this video helpful, and hopefully, you're now one step closer to taking better care of your kidneys and your overall health. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day.